Welcome to today's EV stock pre-market report. Let's take a quick look at the electric vehicle market and prepare for today's trading session. Starting with Tesla, there was a slight increase of 0.55% in its stock price. Today, we're looking at surge signals with an upward potential at 238.13 and a downward at 232.05. Moving on to NIO, it witnessed a significant jump of 5.62%, with upward and downward surge signals at 8 and 7.62, respectively. Lucid also saw an increase, going up by 2.12%, with surge signals at 4.49 upward and 4.19 downward. Rivian showed a modest rise of 1.38%, with its surge signals marked at 17.15 upward and 16.72 downward. In contrast, Mullen Automotive experienced a decrease of 2.03%, with surge signals at 0.19 upward and 0.18 downward. Nikola's stock dropped by 5.08%, and its surge signals are at 1.02 upward and 0.97 downward. Li Auto increased by 3.68%, with surge signals at 42.84 upward and 41.28 downward. XPeng surged by 8.58%, with today's surge signals at 18.64 upward and 17.67 downward. ChargePoint rose by 5.47%, with surge signals at 2.22 upward and 2 downward. Canoo made a significant leap of 20.66%, with surge signals at 0.39 upward and 0.33 downward. Polestar Automotive increased by 1.92%, with its surge signals at 2.16 upward and 2.08 downward. Microvision, however, saw a decrease of 1.65%, with surge signals at 2.5 upward and 2.31 downward. Palantir rose by 4.15%, with the surge signals at 21.77 upward and 20.73 downward. Fisker dropped by 3.09%, with its surge signals at 2.64 upward and 2.19 downward. Stellantis went up by 1.88%, with surge signals at 20.8 upward and 20.36 downward. Blink Charging remained steady, with surge signals at 4.03 upward and 3.82 downward. EVgo increased by 5.93%, with its surge signals at 3.28 upward and 2.92 downward. Fuel Cell Energy saw a rise of 1.64%, with surge signals at 1.28 upward and 1.2 downward. Lastly, Workhorse Group increased by 1.5%, with the surge signals at 0.39 upward and 0.37 downward. That's all for today's pre-market report on EV stocks. Remember, these numbers are key indicators for potential movements in the market. Stay updated and informed, and don't forget to subscribe for real-time updates and insights on all these EV stocks. Happy trading!